Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed. In this video demo, I'm going to show you how to install WebSphere version 9 ND on Red Hat Linux 7. We need to download following part numbers. To find these part numbers, go to browser and search for WebSphere 9 part numbers. Click on the link version 9 download WebSphere application server 9. Scroll down and click on network deployment. You will find all the part numbers needed for installation. Once you have these part numbers, you can go to IBM Passport Advantage, log in, and download these packages. I have already downloaded these packages, so let's begin. The very first thing we will do is unzip these packages. So let's unzip them. Right mouse click on the file, click on Open with Archive Manager. Click on Extract. Select the location where you want to extract. I'm going to extract them in Downloads folder. And let's create a folder for Installation Manager. And click Extract. Next, let's unzip IHS zip file. Click on Extract. Create a new folder. And then extract. Next, plugins. Same procedure. WCT. Unzip app client. Java SDK. And last but not least was in the version 9 package. Let's unzip this one as well. Now that we have all our package unzipped, the first package we will install is Installation Manager itself. So let's go to Installation Manager folder. And run the command install /install. This command will install Installation Manager, which we will use to install all other packages. Make sure packages are selected and then click Next. Accept license agreement. I will keep the default settings and then click Next. Click Install. Click on Restart Installation Manager. Using this Installation Manager, we will be installing all these packages. Go to Files. Click on Preferences. Add repository. Browse. I will navigate to all these folders I extracted and select repository config file. So let's start from the beginning. App client repository.config. Click OK. Add repository again. Browse. IHS repository.config. Click OK. Click on Add repository again. Java SDK repository.config. Plugins. WAS-ND, WAS9ND. And WCT. So let's review it. We have 6 packages here: App Client, IHS, Java SDK, Plugins, WAS9ND, and WCT. Click Apply and then click OK. To start installation, click on Install. Select all your packages. Make sure all packages are selected and then click Next. Accept license agreement. Click Next. I will keep the default settings and then click Next. You may change installation directory. However, for this demo, I will use the default settings. Click Next. You can add other languages if you wish. Click Next. Click Next. Host name and port configuration. Keep default settings and then click Next. Same with web server configuration. Keep default settings and then click Next. This is a summary page. Make sure you have plenty of space and then click Install. Packages are installed. We still have to do a few more steps. Select Profile Management Tool to create a profile and then click Finish. Click on Create button and select Cell and click Next. For this demo, I will use typical profile creation. Click Next. Select a username. I will use was.admin and a password. Click Next. Here is a summary page. Click on Create. Select Launch the first step console and then click Finish. On this page, we can verify our installation. So let's do that. Click on Installation Verification. Installation verification is complete. Next, click on Administrative Console. This will open your browser. If you get this message, click on Advanced. Scroll down and then click on Accept the risk and continue. Bookmark this URL and log in with the user we created, was.admin, and password for was.admin. Click on Login. Click on System Administration. Click on Node Agents. As you can see, Node Agent is not running. To start Node Agent, we need to use command line. And type the command start node.sh. Now let's refresh the status. Node agent is up and running. Now let's go to Server tab. Click on Server Types. And let's click on WebSphere Application Servers. Select your server and click Start. Server 1 is up and running now. You have successfully installed WebSphere Application Server Network Deployment version 9 on Red Hat Linux version 7. Thanks for watching, and like always, have a nice day.